Said the brown and I'm a baby, I'm a heart that. Said the killer, hell raising, just ask God. Said them a Satan, them a baby, me not ask that.
A V6 panitol. A V6 panitol. A V6 panitol. Yeah. Boss in a fuck now, pop off that tag.
And game 2 blow out. Thumb. And then drop a ground.
Yes, so I go on my people, respect for tuning into another video. Yeah, big up and large up on yourself to the max. But from when you see the thumbnail and the title, I know so you already know what is on the menu today. Yeah, and basically we come to talk about Malie Donn and Pablo YG situation to explain everything what really transpire and why the artists get buckled on stage. Also, G British is just blasting SunFest and Joe Bogdanovich and scatter them, and at the end of the day, I make them know say at the end of the day they are system dogs, you see me? But people, I want to consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also give this video a like, yeah, and share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do the thing over here, you see me? We are gonna just jump in at the intro fast and come right back to the video. So no, don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
Coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
Yes, so now people, we have Mr. G British is blasting SunFest, yeah, Joe Bogdanovich and Scatterbarrel, you see me? And basically, he must say at the end of the day, them a system dog and them no good, none at all, you see me? And basically, he must say, yo, him work for them and him say, yo, them slave out them workers and baiting. And at the end of the day, he must say, yo, them no put no international or big reggae international act on the show, you see me? I say a base scammer them up on the show, meaning say yo them a scammer, you see me? I say, and basically him a talk up a bag of things in the video people, but you see instead of me there I go tell you everything what go on, me I go make you check it out from Mr. G British himself.
We never go over SunFest this year, my friend. We don't, no apology. Last year me up on the ground at SunFest. You see me? And when Ding Dong pop down the fence, you know, remember me run the fence, you know. You see me, we don't no apology and no gimmicks in or no lie. We run VIP fencing. We run another part. We see say they no respect the little man them what they run. We go there we know who is SunFest and who is Joe. Who is Scatterbarrel. I want to know them type of people here. If you know when the people say them are dog shit and system dog, I can say yes my people and a lie or not tell. And I can vote to the people them. You understand me? So we grow on them as a worker to see who they are and how they deal with their workers. And my sister they deal with their workers like slave masters. We don't no apology. They don't care about their staff and how their staff have a ban. You understand me? I say that's one of their mistake. Another mistake me say Joe do now. Go on big international TV. And I have a reggae SunFest t-shirt and nothing represent Jamaica. I have one big yellow and black shirt. You see me? Like him a some Beach Boy settings or something like that. We don't know what kind of settings that. So how man like me pick up on SunFest? First of all, me not see them put Jafras on SunFest. Me not see them put little Addy on SunFest. Not big Addy. So me see they in a fully reverse. You see me? And I not see them put no international artists. All of the man them when them put on SunFest I promote scamming. So me see the SunFest, them a fully chopper. You understand me? And they in a fully reverse without no apology. Cause we see say the music gone. There's no international artist on it. There's no Super Cat on it. There's no Shabba Ranks on it. You understand me? I say there's no Junior Reed on it. Back in the days when Johnny Guzam have it, it did run better. Other people are make money. You understand me? No Joe Bogdanovich have it. It turn upside it down. We don't. No apology. Artists are come and tell them to break down fence and then the people them in a serious situation. And we know we run the fence now. We get pressure. So all that work out. Me and no slave master man. Burn SunFest and burn them too. Fully system dog, the whole of them.
Yes, so people, that is it, you know. Yeah, exactly what Mr. G British is saying about SunFest. You see me, I say, I want to drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section about everything we want to hear Mr. G British I say right. So let me know if you agree or disagree. You see me, I say. But anyways, coming up in other news now, people. We all know what is going on in the media right now with Malie Donn, you see me I say, and Pablo YG, and basically Malie Donn was performing at Teen Fete, you see me I say, yeah, in Ocherios, and at the end of the day, them start buckle the man and start fling beer buckle off of the man, you see me. But when me really rate with Malie Donn in other performance of people, Malie Donn hold him composure regardless. I said the buckle them a show and rate, you see me. But you can see one time is like him get really upset with everything what go on, and you can see him walk, I go down and I'm looking at the crowd for actually see who are fling the buckle. So basically I don't know if him really spot somebody who are fling the buckle, but I see the man seal the mic right in at the crowd, people. You see me I say. But anyways, people, I have the video and I'm going to make you check out the video for yourself right now, and also drop on the thoughts down into the comment section what you really think about all of this. You see me I say. So here what, check it out.
I basic find it all, Lord. Big up buckler, but you. I basic find it all. I basic find it all, Lord. Basic find it all. Basic find it all, and it can't stop. I know it back past that. I step in and please can't stop. She don't kick out the she has to get that cancer. What are they doing?
At the end of the day, everybody I say this is from Pablo YG camp. You see me I say, and Pablo YG pay some man for back of the artist, cause we all know that Teen Fete is in Ocherios, and Ocherios is Pablo YG place. You see me? So basically it is easy for anyone to blame Pablo YG and say at the end of the day Pablo YG really do it, because you know so the two of them in a feud from a longer time, them even did clash a sting if you remember, people. You see me? But anyways, Pablo YG can come out and Pablo YG can disclaim that, and I say at the end of the day I know for them artists do the thing, you see me. So Pablo YG can posted on their Instagram stories and said, attention bloggers, people, stop with your rumors and allegation. My artist Pablo YG is not included in any disruption at Teen Fete. You understand what I mean? And basically them end it with a thank you, you see me. So basically right there, so them a clear Pablo YG out tight instantly, and I make the people them know say I know Pablo YG do it, you see me I say. And also Pablo YG took to his Instagram story, you see me I say, where him just a state theme side. So basically Pablo YG posted on his Instagram story and say, me no know about that, I am not a fan, me no fling buckle, go and post on every likes Eddie, you see me I say. And basically him a distance himself from that situation. But people, I want to tell me the honest truth down into the comment section. Do you all think that Pablo YG would really admit it if him did pay some people for really stone the artist or back of the artist per se? Just make me know what you think about this down into the comment section, because really and truly in myself still, me not really feel like him would have really talk, you see me I say, because at the end of the day you know the people done a beat down upon him and I say, yo, that's a foolishness. Even Chronicler speak out on the topic, and Chronicler say, yo, Malie Donn a bad mind, them boy the bad mind, you see me. And a straight negativity that them up bring in a dancehall, because you don't know say Pablo YG have to perform too, and you also know say Malie Donn fans them will do but the same thing, because you don't know how the hardcore Jamaican dancehall fans them stay, you see me I say. You do them artists something, them a go and violate back your artists. I saw them deal with it. You see me I say. But anyways, people, I want to drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section about all of this. Yeah man, make me know what go on in our mind. Make me know what I think about this situation. You see me I say. Also, consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Yeah, give this video a like and share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do the thing already. You see me? Peace, love, I'm out.